Sparky Sparks here. Okay, this is what I talk to you about a lot. So this is new hair for me, and if you look at part 1, you'll see me trying her on probably for the first time. I'm already have her on my head, but go view part 1 and you'll understand what I'm talking about. So in that video, I'm wearing black and a little bit of different makeup colors. And I only had her on for about, I think 15-20 minutes to do that video. Now I've worn her the rest, more in the afternoon, and I'm outside. So this is the same wig. Now she's taken on a little bit of a different flavor, I think. I'm in a lighter color, more kind of a springish summer color. I've had her on my head now for a couple of hours. So I always say the wig becomes you, you become the wig. So as you wear her, you kind of figure out who she is and how she fits and what her vibe is. So I really want to encourage you, when you put a wig on for the first time, you may have mixed feelings, but stick with it, my friend, because you'll be surprised at how nice the wig becomes. So again, this is Lisa in the color light blonde, and the hair is from Envy Hair, my first Envy wig. This particular piece is 30% human hair and 70% synthetic blend. Now this means that you can use heat on her, 275 degrees or so, and you could blow dry, you can curl. So it's a beautiful, beautiful piece, gorgeous colors. And we always talk about how lighting changes the colors. Because she is open wefted, which means there's no defined part, so I can pull her back like this or run my hands through my hair like you see gals with long hair do. I'm always envious of that. But with this particular piece, I can absolutely run my hands through my hair. The cap fits very snugly, not uncomfortably snug, but really snugly. So it's on, it's not going anywhere. This is going to be a great summer addition for me. I have an active life, super active life. I play golf, I swim, I boat. So this is going to be a great addition. But I wanted to jump on here and give you another look at this really pretty, pretty hair. Again, it's by Envy Wigs from wigs.com, and the style is Lisa. She's still shedding. And the color is light blonde. Now, I've also been a redhead all winter, so it's kind of different to be this light. And she has, it's not rooted. So again, this is also an adjustment for me, because I've always worn rooted wigs until I went and saw my aunt in Florida. Shout out to my aunt. She inspired me to, really embrace these wigs that don't have a root. She doesn't have a root on her hair, and she works really hard not to. So yeah, I just never seen that so it just was something different to me. So that's another thing to kind of embrace. So I'd love your thoughts. This is the sunlight, this is outside, and you can kind of see the movement. She's partially hand tied, and she just moves just like real hair, right? And I will be water skiing soon. The lake is still pretty cold, but just walking down the street, and you can kind of see how she flows. I can just not even carefully pull her back, and just a really pretty piece. It's a gorgeous day here. So I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, please reach out and ask. I've been on this wig journey for about 2 years now, and I went to wearing wigs full-time last year. So, and when I say full-time, I really mean full-time. I take them off at night to go to bed, or when I take off my makeup and get ready for bed, that's when I take off my wig usually. And then I start the day with fresh hair. And I like having all sorts of different styles and colors. I'll walk around here a little bit, because most people who know me know I wear wigs. But if you're meeting me for the first time and you see me in blonde hair, you probably think I'm a blonde. And then Usually I find that people, however they meet me the first time, is the style and hair they prefer, because they identify me as that person. So it's kind of a nice experiment and really super fun. And some people have asked, do you still have your own hair? Yes, I have my own hair. But to be honest with you, I'd rather wear a wig. It's so much easier. I don't have to style it. I don't have to blow dry it. And my thin, fine hair will not hold a style for very long. Bless my hairdresser's heart. He tries really hard to make me look on point. And I'll wear it when he does it, you know, for a few days. But honestly, I like the wigs. So I hope that's helpful. Cheers.